Let's review how to use the preparation accordion on the trainer page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the Trainer page. Click on the Preparation Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can select from 14 distinct categories including location information, emergency information, weather contingencies, medication, supplements, and recovery. Use the intuitive click to select checkbox functionality to toggle requirements on or off. The collapsible headers keep your workspace focused, allowing you to organize everything from gear and clothing to batteries and equipment needs efficiently. Once you've selected all necessary preparation items, you can download the checklist as a PDF, share it via secure links, or jump directly to the Toolkit.law productivity suite. This structured approach ensures legal professionals never overlook critical details when preparing for depositions, site inspections, or any fieldwork. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's preparation accordion.